Hello everyone, Quake 120 here. I won the final prize of the auction for Silver Dragons last Friday, and I just received this, so I'll go ahead and unbox it, see what it looks like. If I get the tape off. Well packaged. Let's see what this is. See what goes in this. It's 1 troy ounce poured silver. It's cool swirls. Very cool. Let's see what else we got here. The zombie. Very, very cool. 1 ounce of copper. And the same thing it looks like. That was beautiful. With a troy ounce of silver. And then one of those cowboy coins. Very cool. That's the certificate of authenticity. And then some other goodies in here. Giveaway winner. Very cool. Silver Dragon sticker. Very cool. Silver Dragon's business card. And a 1/4 grain 24 karat gold. There's a little tiny piece of gold there. Very, very cool. Cool stuff. I still can't believe I won. This game is a complete shock to me. I never win anything, so felt very cool to win in the chat. And this stuff's really cool. All right, thanks guys, and thank you, Silver Dragons.